We're gonna cut the cake. See inside. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're gonna try bake some cake. We're gonna be making fresh cream cake, basically. So we're gonna be making fresh cream cake. So for that we're gonna need, here is all our ingredients you need to make a fresh cream cake. So first we're gonna start by whipping our fresh cream. So we're gonna put 250 millimeter of whipping cream, double cream. So we're gonna whip it. That's 250. That's basically 1 cup. So we're just gonna whip it. So okay, next in our bowl we're gonna measure sugar. So half cup of sugar, that's 125 millimeters. 1 cup of sugar. And then we're gonna mix it with our whipping cream. Put it inside with sugar. Okay, and then we're gonna mix it together. We're gonna put one by one. That's our second egg goes on. That's the 4th egg. One. So next we're gonna put our flour. We're gonna measure our cups here. Oop. This is 250 millimeter. I'm gonna put that's just to make a 480 millimeter of flour, basically. One teaspoon of yeast. And then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna add our oil. We're gonna put 1/4, which is 60 millimeter of oil. And we're gonna squeeze our lemon, half lemon, but I'm gonna put one tablespoon. So it's 1 tablespoon of squeezed lemon. So next we're just gonna prepare our cake tray. Just put some butter so that way it doesn't stick. Just putting some butter all over. Okay, so we're gonna put our mixture here. There we go. So we're gonna put our mixture into the oven. So we put in the oven. So we're gonna put our oven on 200 degrees for 30 minutes. One more minute, our cake will be ready. Yes. Yes. The cake is ready. Just take this off. Voila! Our cake is ready. I'm gonna cut the cake. See inside. Time to try the cake. Our vanilla fresh cream cake. That's look. Looks so yummy. No.
Can you fill my water up? Dad, can you fill my water up? Fill my Go, go,
Nice.
go, go, go.
Sure.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel for the new videos. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.